Short vowel. A says ah like apple. Ah, ah, ah. And long vowel. A says A like gate. A, A, A. B says B like ball. B, B, B. C says K like cat. K, K, K. D says D like dog. D, D, D. Short vowel. E says E like egg. E, E, E. And long vowel. E says E like Pete. E, E, E. F says like fish. G says G like goat. G, G, G. H says H like house. H, H, H. Short vowel. I says I like igloo. I, I, I. And long vowel. I says I like bike. I, I. J says J like jump rope. J, J, J. K says K like kite. K, K, K. L says L like leaf. L, L, L. M says like magnet. M. N says like nest. N. Short vowel. O says like ostrich. Ah. And long vowel. O says O like rope. O. P says P like pumpkin. P, P, P. Q says Q like queen. Qu. R says like rabbit. S says S like sun. S. T says T like tiger. T. Short vowel. U says like umbrella. And long vowel. U says U like mule. U. V says V like vest. V. W says W like watch. W. X says X like x-ray. X. Y says Y like yo-yo. Y. Z says Z like zebra. Z.